Today, we're gonna cook buttered shrimp in a curry sauce. So these are the ingredients. First, onions, big onion, tomato, garlic, ginger, minced garlic and ginger, butter, chili powder, curry powder, and of course the prawns. I already cleaned it. I removed the head and the skin, so it is very clean. And some water later. Salt and pepper to taste. First, we will fry the prawn in butter and garlic. So this is the butter now. I can smell the aroma. Add more butter. Look, so beautiful. We can add black pepper to it. A little bit of black pepper. Some salt. We will make the curry sauce. I'll transfer. I will cook the sauce here. You can put the onion first. So after like 2 to 3 minutes, it will become like this. The tomato is now soft. We can add some of the water of shrimp and butter to have the real shrimp taste. I separate the shrimp because we don't need to overcook the shrimp. That's why I didn't include here. This is just the sauce. It smells good. The butter and garlic really gives you very nice aroma. You can add the green chili. Depends on you. If you want it spicy, you can add more. If you want medium or just 1 or 2. By the way, some curries have already they added chili on it, so it is spicy. Like this curry, the ingredients, they added some chili, red chili. So for some people, they don't need to be more spicy, so enough. Now we'll add the curry powder. 1 tablespoon or 2. 1, 2 tablespoons. It will be strong. This is Indian curry powder. So it is very strong. It is rich in spices. Of course, some salt, a little water only, like 1/3 cup of water, as to not to dry. We can now add the all-purpose cream to make it creamy. It will be creamy curry. It is rich and creamy. So when start boiling, reduce the heat and let it steep for like 2 minutes, and we are done. In a low fire for 2 minutes. So I think we are done. We will now transfer the sauce into this prawn. Wait a minute. It is rich and creamy curry sauce. We will let the shrimp absorb this creamy and curry, and wow. Just for 1 or 2 minutes to let the sauce be absorbed by the prawn. Looks yummy. Looks so inviting. Look at that. It's ready to serve.